Alright, quick minute. I'm up against the Lincoln here, so I can't really put the car away. I didn't think of taking any pictures, but it got a couple coats of self-etching. Shot all the self-etching. I actually had a little more self-etching than I did this gray primer. It's stretched awfully thin. Yeah, in some places it's actually bleeding, the green's bleeding through. I'm supposed to put 2 coats of this and there's only 1 coat. I barely made it. Stretched it thin as shit. I gotta get another gallon of primer. And I'm gonna use a pint to a quart on this car. And that's about it. I don't know. I need a little primer for this for underneath. Some painting underneath and the bottom underneath everything in here. Anyway, that's it. Okay, that's the update for today, everyone. The MG got a coat of self-etched, real good, and it's got one thin ass coat of primer on it. Needs a little more. Bye-bye.